Hello friends, welcome to TechTut. This question was asked in GATE 2005 and the question is on onto functions. In the question, we have given two functions f and g and we have given one composite function and we have given a property of composite function h that h is a onto function and we have to find out the properties of functions f and g. We have to find out the nature of f and g and we have given four options. Okay, so first of all, what is the meaning of an onto function? So for making an onto function, let's take two sets a and b. So if we want a function from a to b and we want the function to be onto, then all the element of set b should be mapped with at least one element of set a. Suppose there are four elements in set a and three elements in set b, so the mapping can be like this. Means there should not be any unmapped element in set B. All the elements should be mapped. Okay, so with this definition, we will solve the question. In the question, we have two functions f and g. The function f is from b to c and the function g is from a to b. So better we will take three circles representing each set and we will solve the question. Suppose this is your set A, set B and set C and we have the function given as from B to C we have a function f and from A to B we have a function g and one composite function h which is given as f of g. You can write this composite function as h of x equals to f of g of x. You can think this composite function as a mapping as a function from a to c. We represent f of g like this, a to c. So in the question it is given that h is a onto function, so all the element of set c should be mapped. So let's take there are two elements in set c that are alpha and beta, so these elements should be mapped with some other elements in some other set. So suppose here we have three elements 1 2 and 3, so alpha should be mapped from 1, beta should be mapped from 2 or 3. Okay, so all the element of this set should be mapped. With this you can easily find out that f should also be a onto function. Why? Because f is a mapping from B to C and hence all the element of this set C are mapped, so f is also a onto function. What about G? We have two elements in this set, so we need at least two elements here, say P and Q for mapping. We can map P with this and we can map Q with this. It is not necessary to map Q with 3. So what is happening here? For mapping F, all the element of C are mapped, but for a mapping G, all the element of set B are not mapped. Only two of them are mapped. This means G is not an onto function here. So what we can say? We can say that if H is a onto function, then F should also be a onto function, but we cannot say anything about the function G. It may or may not be a onto function. So with the option given, you can go with the option B, which is F should be onto but G need not be onto. Thank you for watching.